Grade 5, exercise 1A, gentle waves, and it's the left hand. So here's middle C. Put your lower 5 on D below middle C. You're going to have your hand in an open octave position. So 5 on D, 2 on A, and thumb on the top D. So the first one is 5 to 2 to 1. Then your 2 in the middle goes up to B flat, but you keep the Ds on the outside. 2 up to B, keep the Ds. 2 back to B flat, keep the Ds. So the whole time on all of this, your 5 and your 1 are on octave Ds. It's just that the middle note changes chromatically. So here's the timing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then your 5 on low D for 3 counts. Come up by step. Stretch to A and C with 2 and 1. Then you do 5 on the D again. 5, 4, 3. This time you're stretching even further with your 2 and 1 to B and D. Back down to D. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2. Mind the gap to 3 on E. Then 4 and 1 on D and A. I'm going to do that last line without talking. So here's the whole thing from the beginning. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.